Hi there, students. Okay, I wanted to explain the phrase nanny state. So a nanny, you probably all know what a nanny is. A nanny is somebody who looks after young children. A bit like a glorified full-time babysitter, yeah? And anyway, a nanny looks after a child or several children, and the nanny takes care of the children. But nanny state, the phrase, is complaining about the state making too much regulation in our lives, making decisions for us that we ought to be able to make our own. So a nanny looks after the every need of a child. She makes the decisions, or he makes the decisions for the child. Also, the nanny sets the rules. But normally a nanny makes very safe decisions, over-cautious decisions. And very often the child could be rebellious because of this. So nanny state is saying that the state is regulating things that we ought to be able to decide for ourselves. I was thinking, for example, on the motorway in the UK, the speed limit is 70 miles an hour. I think that's pretty reasonable considering it's a dangerous thing to do. But if they put the speed limit at 30 miles an hour, I think that would be a case of nanny state, being over-cautious, yeah? Restricting our freedom of choice. Maybe there should be no speed limits on the motorway, and we ought to make our own decisions, have our own freedom of choice, okay? So that's the idea of this phrase, nanny state. Nanny state is the state regulating about every aspect of our lives, regulating what we do, when we do it, and how we do it, instead of letting us decide. Because after all, let's see, if we're adults, we ought to be able to make our own decisions and have control over our own lives. Yeah? So nanny state is when the state is being overzealous in the laws and regulations and things that it says the citizens of that state must comply with. You'll find this phrase, nanny state, in the press. It's saying, give us more freedom of choice. Yeah, it's normally used to criticize a government, saying that, well, they're just limiting everything and not letting us be ourselves. They are dictating how we should live our lives. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Manney State.